Good evening, everyone. Hope y'all have had a great Wednesday. We've got more pleasant weather out there. Temperatures in the low 60s right now. 64 in Jackson, Vicksburg at 62, Macomb 64. Just really calm conditions. That will continue heading into your Thursday morning. High pressure remains in control at the surface, so we're not having to worry about any clouds or rain overnight. Temperatures dropping down to the upper 50s. It's going to be a couple of degrees warmer than it was last night. Still cool and pleasant though. 59 in Jackson, Carthage at 57, Hattiesburg 58. For Thursday, similar to today, it's going to be above average once again. I think our temperatures are going to be just a couple of degrees warmer tomorrow though. 90. I think we're going to hit 90 degrees here in Jackson and Vicksburg as well as Hattiesburg. Upper 80s elsewhere. 89 in Natchez, Carthage 87. That average high temperature being 78 degrees. We will be likely about 12 degrees above average tomorrow. We were about 9 degrees above average today. So we're continuing this trend of, yes, cool seasonal nights with warm, really above average afternoons. We're going to be close to breaking a record tomorrow. The average high, of course, talked about that, is about the average high being in the 80s. Not in the 80s. The average high should be in the upper 70s. The upper 70s, about 78 degrees. But that high temperature tomorrow, I'm forecasting about 90. That's going to come really close to that record high temperature of 91 degrees set back in 1899. It's 126 years ago. So that record has been there for a little while. And for good reason, because you don't expect it to be in the low 90s in mid-October. But we're likely reach the low 90s tomorrow afternoon. Thankfully, though, we'll keep those lower dew points in the 50s, so that's going to help make it feel more comfortable. Dew points will slightly increase as we head towards the weekend. We're going to have our winds shifting up out of the south ahead of this cold front. So as the cold front moves in, our winds are going to shift up out of the south, which is going to bring in more of that moist and humid air from the Gulf. But you'll notice behind that front, dew points back in the 40s potentially. That's going to be quite nice. That drier air, cooler and drier air from the north. Temperatures staying consistent over the next few days, upper 80s to near 90 tomorrow. Will slightly cool as we head towards the weekend. The reason for that is more clouds building in ahead of the cold front. Still going to be in the upper 80s though. That cold front passing as we head into Sunday, that will knock our highs down to the upper 70s, low 80s. You'll notice a slight climb in temperatures heading towards Tuesday, but I am expecting another cold front to pass, and then behind that, that secondary cold front is really going to knock our high temperatures back down to seasonal levels in the mid to upper 70s. So by midweek next week, I think we'll be having some really nice fall conditions. The cold front, of course, it is going to bring those cooler temperatures. Also some decent rain chances, looking like late Saturday. Not just late Saturday, really late Saturday, and more going to be an overnight event into early Sunday morning. We're going to be watching for the potential for rain. We haven't seen rain since last Monday, a week ago Monday, so we really need it. The models have been pretty consistent, showing this front moving towards the south and east as we head towards Saturday. Earlier on, a day or two ago, it was looking like this could be earlier on Saturday for us, but the front has slowed down a little, so that's going to make it an overnight event. So really waking up early Sunday morning, it's looking to be our best shot at seeing some rain. Of course, we still got several days until Saturday, so a lot could change between now and then. The timing could change. If the cold front speeds up, this will be a Saturday afternoon event. If it slows down even more, this could be later in the morning on Sunday. So we'll keep updating you, but the timing now, early Sunday morning, looks to be the best bet there. This is a long-range model, so it's not going to be a complete washout on Sunday. It's just going to be those scattered showers and thunderstorms right along that cold front. It's going to quickly move out though. Behind it, high pressure building back in, allowing for sunny skies to start on our Monday. Now, there is a potential for some severe weather. The Storm Prediction Center has those to the north and west of Jackson in this level 2 out of 5 slight risk. And this could easily be extended a little further to the south and east as we head towards Saturday. We're going to be monitoring this, but the way things look now, if this does move in overnight, that's going to be much better for us. We're not going to have to worry about as much severe weather. The severe potential will be lower. But the way things are looking now, we could have some stronger storms with damaging winds. That does look to be the main threat. Of course, we'll keep updating this as well. And like I already said, things can change between now and Saturday. But for now, plan on a dry end to the work week and then the scattered showers and thunderstorms early Sunday, with a couple of them having the potential to be on the stronger side. Of course, this SPC outlook now, it includes western Hines, western Madison, and western Atala points west in that level 2 out of 5 slap risk. But we'll keep monitoring this because, like I said, I would not be surprised to see this extended a little further to the south and east. We are going to get some beneficial rain from this. About an inch can be expected for parts of central Mississippi, especially west of Interstate 55. But if the front slows down, we're all going to get more rain. If it speeds up, of course, we're going to get less rain. So we're going to keep watching how this front is moving. The way things look now, the further east you are, the less rain you're going to see. But we could still see up to an inch with some locally higher amounts possible. So it's not going to end the drought, but it is going to be very beneficial for our drought conditions. Okay, finishing out the work week. Warm and dry temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90. Lows climbing back up into the 60s by Friday morning. Rain chances really ramp up Sunday morning. A few of those could have some stronger thunderstorms embedded. Upper 70s Sunday afternoon. Temperatures in the low 80s going Monday to Tuesday. That secondary cold front, though, will bring some slight rain chances Tuesday, and then more seasonal temperatures. Highs in the mid to upper 70s and lows back down into the low 50s. So that fall-out weather is on the way. Hope y'all have a great rest of this Wednesday night. Meteorologist Megan Hanna will be here tomorrow morning with your next weather update. Thank y'all for watching.